All right. Welcome, everyone. Today is October 2nd. Time is flying. Time is flying. Yeah, today is October 2nd. Your host today, Trade with Dave. And, well, let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening. Gold is not coming down. I feel like every live stream I get on, first thing I say is gold is not coming down. So, oh man, the 3,200 days. Ah, I don't know if we're ever gonna be back at 32. I do want some sort of retracement though. I think it has been extended for quite some time. Also, I do think with the close, with the monthly close, with a strong bullish candle, it should continue to push. So, well, we'll see. So, 4 hour gold, we're bullish. We have a resistance around this area, right? Okay, let's just say 30 minute. Mm, okay, so this is about 50, 60 pip range. Let me show you something similar. Similar. Yeah. So let me show you how to identify price action and trade based upon that. Mm, So let me show you. So let me show you price action and trade. Let me show you guys price action so you can trade based upon that, right? So this right here is 15-minute time frame. It's coming down to its support area here. When there's a full red candle coming down, So let me show you. So let me show you what happened in the past, and based on that, how I'll be trading today. Now you see this red candle here. This red candle rejected this area, and we formed some sort of support on the left hand side with this doji candle, and then continue to fill up these ranges. What happens is that when there is a full volume blown candle coming down, that is a range to fill to continue up as well if we are in a bullish trend. So what is happening right now on a 15-minute is that we're coming down to the support area, and similar to what we saw on 4 hour, what I will be expecting is some sort of support formed. And as long as there's support formed around this area, I will be looking forward for buys because the overall sentiment in the market for gold is bullish, is a buy. So I will be looking for opportunities like this based on what happened in the past to continue for gold to push up. To the support and side with this trading zone. So let me show you. So let me show you what happened in the past, and based on that, how I'm trading today. Now, see this red candle here. This red candle rejected this area, and we formed some sort of support on the left-hand side with this doji candle, and then continue to fill up these ranges. What happens is that when there is a in this area, and we form with support on the left-hand side with this doji candle, and then continue to fill up these ranges. What happens is that when there is a full volume blown candle coming down, that is a range to fill to continue up as well if we are in a bullish trend. So what is happening right now on a 15-minute is that we're coming down to the support area, and similar to what we saw on 4 hour, what I'll be expecting is some sort of support form. And as long as there's support form around this area, I will be looking forward for buys because the overall sentiment in the market for gold is bullish, is a buy. Two, 9, 20, Okay, let's take a look at GJ. 4 hour bearish. We're in this support area. So we've been in this area for the last couple of days. Obviously, it's a major support around this area. I'm gonna just tighten this a little bit more as we are breaking. Let's go down. Yeah. So in order for I do believe in order for GJ to continue push, we should close bearish, and the price should signal for it to continue to push down. So maybe something along the lines of resistance forming, and the next candle should continue to push down. You know what I'm saying? Something like that, right? As of right now, it's sort of like a waiting game because it's not much going on. I I don't think I need a price line. How do I hide? Like, jeez. Price status line, symbol, scales and lines, currency and unit. Okay, that's fine. Actually, you know what? It's better if I have it. That's fine. Okay. Okay, back at USD. What's happening? Can we create some sort of support for us to continue to push up? 734, Forex factory. Hmm, nothing going on for USD. Although tomorrow we have some good news coming in. Well, not good, but tomorrow we have some good amount of news coming in. We have NFP as tomorrow is Friday. Non-farm payroll is one of the biggest news of the month, one of the biggest, and market will go up, down, left, right. It's going to be hefty on NFP. So if you are trading news, just be careful. And we will be trading news. So What the hell? I'm gonna wait. I will wait. Yeah. I'll wait for this candle to finish and actually hold on. The reason being is that the next candle is going to be the last candle of 15 minute, last candle of 1 hour. And if it's going to drive, it should drive right now. So I will enter, what's the 34? I'm going to enter, I'm going to decrease my position to 60. And then if it retraces just a little bit, bro, come on. It's already moved 20 pips. Come on, come on, come on, come on, Habib. Calm down. Good morning, Basit. Thank you for joining us today. I am looking to take a buy on gold. I It's not ideal because I'm not super comfortable with impulse entries. Impulse entry is when you don't wait for a candle to close, you anticipate volume to continue to push the price in that direction. I do believe the price should continue to move up, and that is the reason why I want to take this impulse entry is because the next 15-minute candle is the last candle of the 1 hour. And if it's gonna drive, it should drive from now up until the first part of the 15 minute. So let's see. I'm gonna see how it plays out. I will see how it plays out. Holy, that's why I'm glad. Okay, I'm glad I waited. I'm glad I waited because otherwise this would have been a bad morning. Don't get me wrong, I do anticipate for price to continue to push in that direction to still be bullish. but I don't want to get caught. Don't get caught in the mix. Oh, do do do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do. Yeah, if you were in a buy, you should get out. This was your stop loss. How much time do we have left? We have 40 minutes, 40 seconds left in this 15-minute close. Moving this support area back to what we saw actual support, because right now this is an open candle and we have not created, a proper support area. Although, do look at on the left, right hand side, the whole market, at least my watch list, is all green. So let's see if we can be green for today. We. Siéntete. Okay, close bearish. Yeah. There's nothing, I mean, yeah, there's not really much you can do other than anticipate volume to continue to push down because there's rejections, there's this rejection, this and this. So it just doesn't make sense. Let's see if the next 5 minute we can get some sort of support for price to at least push up to these areas. Because this is a 40 pip range. That's insane. Holy. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. 今天才 chat. I am interested in Alexis just now. Look at this. Look at this beautiful interior. Beige with more beige. Oh, so it's two-tone brown. This is the signature Lexus interior, according to my boy. I think we might have found a gem. I might have to go check it out today. You feel me? Do you feel me? This weekend I will be fixing, I'd say this weekend I'll be organizing some of the material on YouTube, Instagram. So I'll just be organizing my social media to represent and navigate the traffic to the live streams a bit more because right now I don't think anybody that comes in as a newcomer can see my live streams from other social medias. So I'm gonna work on the social medias this weekend. Also, I'll be pushing out, as I'll be working on organizing social media, I'll be organizing some of the videos and how I want the videos, what I want the videos to portray. So the training videos, the how-to videos, all of those, I will make sure that they're in a playlist. And I'll also record more videos where you'll be able to see on this whiteboard here, this whiteboard right there, you'll be able to see just how to trade and how to based on the drawings that I'll do. Because I'll be an artist. Okay, tell me, because I won't be mad. Babe, it's yours. It's not. It's all right. It's all right. Oh my God. That's a trouble. What? Cuz. Nah, don't even try to play me. It has to be a film, otherwise they're just lying. You. Next clip. The whole thing is just bearish right now. Other than 4 hour. I can give a fuck about 4 hour right now. I do like it though. I do like this. But the higher time frames are indicating bearish. When I say higher time frames, it's literally after everything after 5 minute is indicating bearish momentum. What does that mean? I will be exiting a trade right here. All right, I'm in a buy, anticipating for price to continue to push up. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like this. I am exiting the trade. If it breaks below its own low, I'll exit the trade. Yeah, fuck this. what did I do? I literally said the bear bah, the bear bah, the bear. So, Chad, I've gotten into a sell, anticipating for price to continue to push down, at least down to these wicks, this area here, and the stop loss will be current candles high because it really shouldn't come up and break its own high at this point. Welcome to chat. Remember to buy your privacy. Okay, sure. Mm, I don't see how I can manage this trade here. There is no way that I can manage this trade, meaning that I can lose less, because if it hits my stop loss, if it, it hits my stop loss, there. Mm, Come on, cuz. Mm, mm, mm. Really, if you want to push below these areas, you should not break above the previous candle's high. So I think I should be okay. Now I can manage risk. Let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Uh, it might just hit stop loss. I'm gonna look away so it won't hit my stop loss. Mm, 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 mm. So right now we have 30-minute close. We have 4 hour, 30 minute, and 1 hour close. So I just want to see how, because 1 hour we're closing bearish. You know what? Should be okay. Mm, 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 mm. Just for now, I'm gonna watch the price because my stop loss was at $120. I don't want the volume to hit my stop loss and then it continues to drive bearish because as of right now, 1 hour is bearish. So let's see how we close on this 30-minute. How much time do we have? We have 3 minutes left. Okay. Can we get a flip? Can we get a flip of 5 minute? Flip of 5 minute. Can we get a flip? Okay, the candle has flipped. Well, it flipped and went back up.
How many springs does an official bowl have in it?
What the hell? Where is this volume coming from? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so now I'm basically going to anticipate price to continue to push up, but I want this candle to close somewhere here so I can, next candle should continue to drive. This candle has still 10 minutes. I will be back. Mm, 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 mm.
थैंक यू।
हाँ ये पेन।
ठीक है ना?
कहाँ किसने निकाला ये?
मैंने कहा शायद गिर गया कचरे में।
उन्होंने लेके नहीं गए हो?
डब्बे में गिरा हुआ था, वो शायद निकल के गिर गया हो।
हाँ।
ठीक है ना ये?
ये खराब।
हम्म,
पर ये फेक है।